very encouraged. This is a sponsored bill by Sheriff Don Barnes, my sheriff in Orange County. And really, prostitution spiraled out of control throughout the state of California, and it damages communities dramatically across the state of California. And there's been many different bills over the last few years that changed the way that we can attack this issue. So what we want to do is, this bill is just putting together a task force to study the data, get real hard data, and get input from the different fields, from law enforcement to victims' rights groups to nonprofits, everybody involved in this, and they come forward on a task force with real data and hard recommendations to come back to the legislature. And therefore, we now introduce a bill that we're more educated on how we can close any loopholes that we have in our law to make sure it's a strong law to, make sure public safety, that we don't have this disruption of prostitution throughout the state of California. And it's spiraling out of control right now in the state of California. So we want the hard data, we want the experts with the input, and so we have hard data, expertise, advice on what we need to do to move forward to curb this problem that we have across the state.